Hello students, this is Neeru Gupta. In this video, we will learn how to balance a chemical equation. Consider a chemical equation CH4 plus Cl2 arrow CCl4 plus HCl. That is, methane gas react with chlorine gas yield carbon tetrachloride and hydrochloric acid. To balance the chemical equation, first step is to count the atoms on each side of the equation. In this chemical equation, there are one carbon atom on both sides, so it is already balanced. So we balance next hydrogen atom. There are 4 hydrogen atom on left hand side and 1 hydrogen atom on right hand side. So we multiply with 4 in front of HCl. Remember, we cannot change the subscript. That is, we can put 4 HCl but not H for Cl. Now count again. There is 1 carbon atom on both sides, 4 hydrogen atom on left hand side and 4 hydrogen atom in HCl on right hand side. Now hydrogen is also balanced. Now count the chlorine atom. There is 2 chlorine atom on left hand side and 8 chlorine atom on right hand side. 4 in carbon tetrachloride and 4 in hydrochloric acid. So now we balance chlorine atom. To balance chlorine atom, we multiply on left hand side in front of Cl2 with 4. Now count again. Number of chlorine atom on left hand side is 8. That is 4 2s are 8. Finally, check the correctness of balanced chemical equation. 1 carbon atom on both sides, 4 hydrogen atom on both sides and 8 chlorine atom on both sides of the chemical equation. Thus, now this equation is balanced. To make a chemical equation more informative, write symbols of physical state of reactants and products. The gaseous, liquid, aqueous and solid state of reactants and products are represented by notations gaseous with small g, liquid with L, aqueous with AQ and solid with S. The word aqueous is written if reactant and products is present in water as a solution. If reactants and product is present in water as a solution. For example, iron solid phase plus water gaseous phase yield iron oxide in solid phase and hydrogen gas. Sometimes the reaction conditions such as temperature, pressure or catalyst etc. are indicated above or below the arrow. to make the chemical reaction more informative. For example, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll yield glucose plus oxygen. This reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The energy changes are expressed in the chemical equation. If heat is evolved, then we write plus heat on the product side. If heat is absorbed, then we write minus heat on the product side. For example of heat evolved, hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas yield water in gaseous phase and produce heat. Example of heat absorbed, nitrogen gas react with oxygen gas yield nitric oxide. In this reaction heat is absorbed, so we write minus heat on the product side.